Want all these tools and 133 Pro Tools for free? Then you must watch this whole video. This website works the same on both phone and computer, so no need to worry. And at the end of the video, I'm doing an epic giveaway, so don't miss it. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button because I keep posting this kind of super valuable content all the time. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight to my Chrome screen. Now here, click on your search bar and type Yup AI. Open the first website that appears. Next, click on Sign in with Google. Choose your email and hit Continue. After signing in, this interface will appear. Now, let me search how to make $1 million net worth and hit Enter. And boom. You'll see two different AI models answering the question right in front of you. Here's the fun part. Whichever model's answer you prefer, simply scroll down and click I prefer this. And tell them why you liked it. Then hit Send Feedback, and now. You'll instantly receive a scratch coupon. Scratch it, and boom! You've just got 5,000 tokens for free. Repeat the same process again and again, and enjoy unlimited generations without paying a single dollar. Next, click Take Me to the homepage. Select your country, enter your age and education, then click Get Started. Now, this beautiful interface will show up. Click on Choose Models and boom! Click on View All. Here you'll find every single model you've ever heard about, neatly organized into categories like Pro, Max, New, Reasoning, Fast, Live, and Images. Alright, let's do an image generation test. I selected 4 models. Now I will paste a simple prompt and press Enter. Watch this. 4 different models are generating the same image for me at the same time. Gemini image comes in super quick, but the quality is not perfect. The second one, generated by GPT, looks absolutely stunning. Let's check the others. Both are good, but honestly I love GPT's image more. So I click I prefer this, tell them why I like it, and send feedback, scratch the coupon again, and boom, more free credits in my account. Now, time for the giveaway announcement. Whoever subscribes to this channel and comments done below, I will personally send him Canva Pro for free. Now, you already have free tools ahead of you, but if you want to generate voice with emotions for free, then you must watch this other video where I've explained step by step exactly how to do it.